Okay, so today on the chopping block, we got Witness's vocals, and the song's called Let It Bang. So it's beat by Rich Rhodes and myself because I've done some customization production to this. Is Too Nice featuring Scantless and Witness. So today I'm going to tweak Witness's vocals. So what we have right here, so you got 4 tracks. Basically it's 2 tracks, but we're looking at 4. So this is his main number 1 and his main number 2. You got his backup number 1 and his backup number 2. Each one's going to its own track. So if you look right here, I got 4 tracks. So I route 1 to 38, route 1 to 39, 1 to 40, and 1 to 41. Then all these go into a vocal aux or a vocal bus track. Each individual one has a de-esser and Renaissance by Waves. I put this on all my vocals and even like a lot of my instruments. Then all those run into this master bus. Then you have FabFilter Pro Q3. Then we have another de-esser on the master bus where all the vocals are leading into. We're doing a wideband cut. Then we have Renaissance again. Thresholds 3.1. I do anywhere between 1 and like 6. And then we're doing just a little bit of limiting at 2.4. So let me run his vocals back with no processing, and then I'll run it back with processing. I'm going to kick his vocal bus on and off as we go on this one.
Bonafide certified nut job. Ask around, witness been on a mission from God since 99. I ain't a killer pussy, don't push me. I'll bury your ass alive with a straw and a plastic spoon. You can dig your way out. Guns don't kill people, folk like I do. Feeling froggy, leap and see if you can do what the devil could not do. A mannerless cannibal, love playing with my food. Gorillas in your midst, you playing the game by my rules. You bet your hand against the house, better pray that you not lose. We play for keeps up in these streets to take a knife or a tooth. It ain't no thing to let it bang. You can bank, they will find you. You'll be sleeping with the fishes, homie, that's no haiku. Speaking reckless on these records, get you blessed like hot. You get your train knocked off the track like Palestine times 2. I'm a domestic terrorist with an embarrassing IQ. Junk on a cloud, a mirror, expect to remind you.
The difference is night and day. You know, the main thing is that we have clean takes to start with. Now let's play this back with the processing off with the beat and then on with the beat.
Bonafide certified nut job. Ask around, witness been on a mission from God since 99. I ain't a killer pussy, don't push me. I'll bury your ass alive with a straw and a plastic spoon. You can dig your way out. Guns don't kill people, folk like I do. Feeling froggy, leap and see if you can do what the devil could not do. A mannerless cannibal, love playing with my food. Gorillas in your midst, you playing the game by my rules. You bet your hand against the house, better pray that you not lose. We play for keeps up in these streets to take a knife or a tooth. It ain't no thing to let it bang. You can bank, they will find you. You'll be sleeping with the fishes, homie, that's no haiku. Speaking reckless on these records, get you blessed like hot. You get your train knocked off the track like Palestine times 2. I'm a domestic terrorist with an embarrassing IQ. Junk on a cloud, a mirror, expect to remind you. Bonafide certified nut job. Ask around, witness been on a mission from God since 99. I ain't a killer pussy, don't push me. I'll bury your ass alive with a straw and a plastic spoon. You can dig your way out. Guns don't kill people, folk like I do. Feeling froggy, leap and see if you can do what the devil could not do. A mannerless cannibal, love playing with my food. Gorillas in your midst, you playing the game by my rules. You bet your hand against the house, better pray that you not lose. We play for keeps up in these streets to take a knife or a tooth. It ain't no thing to let it bang. You can bank, they will find you. You'll be sleeping with the fishes, homie, that's no haiku. Speaking reckless on these records, get you blessed like hot. You get your train knocked off the track like Palestine times 2. I'm a domestic terrorist with an embarrassing IQ. Junk on a cloud, a mirror, expect to remind you.
You think I give a fuck if you was in the game? You think I give a fuck about the click you claim? You think I won't run up on you with that thing? You think I won't run up on you and let it bang? Bang, 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 just let it bang. Bang, 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 just let it bang.
And that's it. That's mixing Witness's vocals on this track called Let It Bang. Is Too Nice, featuring Scantless, featuring Witness. Production by Rich Rhodes and myself. Original beat by Rich Rhodes. Edits and change-ups made by Scantlessbeatz. Thank you guys for joining. It's your boy D. I'm out this boy. Let's go. Yeah, let's go.
I'ma go hard, go home or go bold. Told a fucking man I'll snatch his body out of soul. Leave your ass cold.